people. So now really I'm on this mission of these certain pages that I see on Instagram that I find very nice. I would want to speak about them. So I just happened to come across this page today, just in the evening, called Bhukkad Ki Aulad. And it is all about, it is this cute little 7-year-old who's doing these food reviews. And it is just so cute, yeah. I mean, like, seriously. So, I mean, this child is like eating a pizza and saying, this pizza is from such and such place, and we are following all the food safety measures, and this pizza is really good. I mean, how cute can it get? And basically, this child book, this profile Bhukkad Ki Aulad is being run by his dad, I think, and the dad's page is Raste Ka Bhukkad. So I found that also pretty unique. But really, people, you all should check this page out on Instagram. It is too cute. It's called Bhukkad Ki Aulad, and it's by a 7-year-old, and his name is Agastya, I think. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.